Welcome to qnawire.
We know that the THC content is normally distributed with a mean of 10.7% and a standard deviation of 18%. And so we want to find the probability that a randomly selected bag of marijuana will have a THC content greater than 11.9%. So we need a z-score for 11.9. A z-score is found by taking the value we're looking to get a z-score for minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. So we want a z-score for 11.9 when the mean is 10.7 and the standard deviation is 18. Let me get that in a calculator. That is exactly 1/15th, or we'll call it 0.0667. And then we find the probability corresponding to that z-score, because essentially the probability that x is greater than 11.9 is the same as the probability that z is greater than 0.0667. And that is the same as 1 minus the probability that z is less than or equal to 0.0667, and then you can use the table because the tables read to the left. And that's, if you look about 0.07 up in the z-table, you get 0.5265. And so that's 0.4735. So the probability that a randomly selected bag has a THC content greater than 11.9% is about 0.4735, or 0.47 to 2 decimal places, as it says. Now the second question, finding the 7th percentile, we want to use the formula to convert a z-score back to the original distribution. So if we solve for x, we multiply by the standard deviation and then add the mean. And now a z-score for 0.07, the 7th percentile, from the table is about negative 1.475 times the standard deviation of 18% plus the mean of 10.7. Let me get that in the calculator. And that's negative 15.85. And so the 7th percentile is about negative 15.85 to 2 decimal places.